welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and this is my beauty channel. If you're not already, I would really suggest you to subscribe. Okay, just click the button down there, it would help me a lot. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of July. I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything, so I have no idea how the box look or any of the products, nothing, as always. So let's start. So this is the box. Okay, so we have a very bluish greenish color. I don't know what you call this color in English. I need to check that up sometimes because this is the second box I received today with this color. I just unboxed the Glossybox and I mean it's pretty much the same. So for people who doesn't know what Goodiebox is, it's a beauty subscription. You receive a box every month with a couple of maybe 4, 5, 6 beauty products, and I think it costs around $20, $19, depending on what country you live in, and I don't know if they ship to all countries. I don't think so, but I know they're expanding all the time. So yeah, every month you get a box and they have different kinds of colors on the boxes and prints and themes. So that's how it's looking. And you get a paper and I think, yeah, in the beginning we received you know, descriptions and that, but now we don't. You have to go online to a website. And this is the Staycation box. So that's the theme. So I always open up this paper just a bit, and then I take one product at a time, and then after I go to the website and just read and we talk a little bit about the products. So let's start. Oh, so the first product is huge and cute. Love the bottle. Oh my god, what is this? Lavish Care Ocean Mist Hairspray. Hairspray with natural sea salt for a beachy, messy hair look. Vitamin E, natural sea salt, dermatologically tested. Do you say it like that? I think so. 300 milliliters, so I assume it's a full size because it's a lot. We actually got an email and you could choose if you wanted something to style your hair with or something to treat your hair with, like hair mask or something. I'm not exactly sure. So depending on what you chose in that email, you're going to receive a different product. Well, that's my guess. It's that this is the product they were emailing about. Okay, huge size. I love it. It smells like you've just cut your hair in a professional salon or something. Oh, I like it. Okay. And then we have something huge as well. Now By Natural Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream. 100 milliliter. Okay. We received a lot from this brand in both Goodiebox and Glossybox, I think. But this is a huge size. Let's test it. So just completely white. Doesn't smell so much. Yeah, okay, it smells. It smells like juice. Oh, the scent is really, really nice. Okay, I like it. Next product. The next product is makeup. Okay, it's a lip gloss from Peace. We received a concealer from them previously and I didn't like it at all, but this maybe looks better. Yeah, so it doesn't have a lot of coverage. Everyday gloss. Pretty. I like it. Especially because I don't really use a lot of, you know, heavy lipsticks. This is really nice to just put on instead of nothing. Fun. Oh, these are so huge in size. I love it. Respire. Natural After Sun. Recycled and recyclable packaging. Yeah, just apply on body and face after sun exposure. And it has a lot of good ingredients and stuff. Made in France. Love the size. And you always need these kinds of products. I have a shit ton of sun lotions right now because of all beauty boxes. So to actually receive after sun, that's appreciated. I like it. And great size. Then we have Mask Me Up Sleep Over Suitable Heal Mask with special developed moisturizing and softening cream serum for the heel area. Can be used for 20 minutes or overnight for silky, soft and smooth heels. Convenient one-step process. So it's just like heel socks and you put them on and just let them sit. I don't really like masks and I receive at least one of them in every box every month, so I just have to accept it, but I don't really like them. Good if you like masks. I know a lot of people do because these are really expensive, so obviously they have an audience or customers who actually buy them. So I guess people will appreciate it. And the last product is Rose and Berries Balmy Cleanser. Pink petals feel free. A facial cleanser with a balm texture that becomes a milky emulsion when in contact with water. Apply to wet skin and perform a gentle massage. Rinse with lukewarm water. Not cruelty? Yeah, cruelty-free. Vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, I like cleansers. You use them a lot. You use them every day. Probably, and yeah, I like it, and great size. I feel like Goodiebox never let you down in the sizes of the products and the quality of the products. Let's find the descriptions on their website. So we received 6 products, that's good. Okay, so the first product, the heel mask, retails for $7. If you're like us, you haven't really given your feet a lot of attention until now. But don't worry, we're here to help and we've chosen the best products. A heel mask from Mask Me Up gives your soft and smooth heels, full size. Okay. And then we have the lip gloss, the Silky Kiss lip gloss from Pace. It retails for $23. It's a full size, it's long lasting, it doesn't smudge. Thank you very much. Orange Juice Hand Cream, full size, retails for $14. Use after you washed your hand or simply when your hands needs a little extra TLC. I don't know what that is. Feel Free Rose and Berries Balmy Cleanser retails for $17 for 100 milliliters, and this is 75, so it's almost a full size. Massage into skin and then wash it off with some warm water. Respire Natural After Sun, full size, retails for $16. Sun-kissed skin needs to be taken care of. And what is the better way to do it than using an after sun made of natural ingredients and has a light and fresh consistent. It has a fresh scent of flowers and it will give you a summer feeling and vibe. You can apply it to your face or body after being exposed to the sun. Okay. And the last product, the Lavish Care Ocean Mist. It's a full size. It retails for $10, so that's not expensive. Shake the bottle and spritz on dry or a damp hair. Brush through your hair with your finger or let it dry for best effect. So that's everything for this month. A lot of products, big sizes, and I will probably use a lot of them. So that feels great. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you don't want to miss my future videos, you can click on the bell and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video. Bye!